Hello friends, welcome to GMG accountancy classes. Today we are going to discuss journal entry of class 11, illustration 8, page number 64. Jay Silly is a sole proprietor having a provision store. Following are the transaction during the month of January 2018. Journalize them. Journalize them means journal entry. Now, on January 1, commence business with cash. Commence means started business with cash. So, whenever you are doing something, this is your own company. So, your name of the company is JC Lee. You are JC Lee. So, now you invested money into the business. तुमने पैसा जमा किया है बिजनेस में, लगाया है. So, what come into the business? Cash. So, cash account data to capital account rupees 80,000. When you see the answer here below, single page sum, journal entry, in date column you have to write date, particulars, LF, debit rupees, credit rupees. Below that you have to write rupees. 2018 January 1. Opposite of this 1 you have to write cash account DR. DR means debit. Next line, to JC Lee capital account 80,000. In bracket you can write the question as it is. Then second question is deposit cash into bank or deposit into bank. So what do you mean of that? You deposited the money into the bank. So पैसा तुम्हारी कंपनी से बैंक में गया. You deposit the money into the bank. So which amount is increased? Bank amount is increased. So bank account data to cash account. Or you can simply say, what is a bank account as per the golden rules? It is a real account. Bank is a personal account. So debit the receiver. Who is the receiver? Bank is the receiver. Cash is what? Real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. From your company, cash goes out. So it is credited. Understand? Now see the third entry. Purchase goods by paying cash. When you purchase, cash goes out. So purchase goods by cash. So what is the entry? Purchase account data to cash account. Why purchase account data to cash account? Because cash goes out. So it is credited. Goods comes in. That's why it is debited. Then what's the next one? Purchase goods from Lipton and Company. So when you purchase goods from Lipton and Company, so it is a credit purchase. So I already have told you in the previous video the shortcut method. If it is a credit purchase means name will be credited. So simply purchase account data to Lipton and Company account rupees 10,000. Now see here, you can purchase account data to Lipton and Company, goods purchase on credit. Next one, sold goods to Joy and received cash. So what comes in into the business when you sell something? Cash comes in. So cash account data to sales account. You sold goods to Joy. When you sell goods to Joy, what comes into the business? Cash comes into the business. So cash is debited. So cash account data to sales account 11,000. Paid salary by cash. So what goes out when we are paying salary? Cash goes out. So salary account data to cash account. Next one, paid Lipton and Company by check for the purchase made on 4th January. See, we paid the amount to Lipton and Company by check. Now see the date 4. Purchase goods from Lipton Company. How much goods we purchased? 10,000 rupees of goods we purchase on credit. Now we are making the payment. That's why here amount is not given. Here only mentioned 4th January. So understand the question, read the question carefully before giving the answer. Understand the concept. We paid means what? Money goes out. Now we didn't pay the cash, we paid through check. So bank is created. So automatically to whom we paid? Lipton and Company. So Lipton and Company will be debited. Now see the answer. Lipton and Company is the personal account. So debit the receiver. So he is a receiver. So debited. Bank account is the personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. From whom the money goes out? From the bank. So money, bank is the giver. So it is credited. Next one. Next date 8. Bought furniture by cash. In the previous entry, it has been given purchase goods by paying cash, but not mentioned what we are going to purchase. But in this question, they mention bought furniture by cash. So what comes in? Furniture comes in. So whatever comes in will be debited. Furniture and cash both are real account. It is a property. So what is the golden rules for real account? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So furniture is debited because furniture comes into the business. So see here in your answer, furniture account data to cash account because you bought furniture. The same question you can write it as it is. Next one, we paid the electricity charges. So electricity charges account data to cash account. See here, we paid the electricity charges. So electricity charges by cash. So electricity charges account data to cash account because cash goes out. And electricity charges is the nominal account expense. So expenses will be debited. Bank paid insurance premium. We paid the insurance premium through how? Through bank. So bank is created. So insurance premium account data to bank account. See the answer over here. Insurance premium account data to bank account rupees 300. Understand? Now we move on to next illustration 9. Anand is a trader dealing in textiles. For the following transaction, pass journal entry in the month of January 2018. January 1 commence business with cash. So what comes into business? Cash. So cash account data to capital account because two account here. One is cash, another is capital. Whose capital? Anand capital. Why we are writing Anand capital? Because Anand invested money into the business. Who is Anand? The owner of the company. Next, you can see the answer. This is the question. If you see the answer, you can understand very easily. You write in the heading in the books of Anand. Next line, you write the journal entries. 2018 January 1 cash account data to Anand's capital account. Next one. See the second. Date to purchase goods from X and Company on credit. So when you purchase goods on credit, so simply I said name will be credited. So purchase account data to X and Company account. Now see here the answer. Purchase account data to X and Company account 30,000. Purchase is which account? Purchase is the nominal account. So expenses will be debited. X and Company is what? Is the personal account. So debit the receiver, credit the giver. So is the giver. So it is credited. Next one. cash deposit into bank. When we deposit the money into the bank, cash goes out. So cash is credited and bank is debited. So bank account data to cash account. Understand? So whatever goes out will be credited. Who is the receiver will be debited. Simply, you must remember the golden rules. Next one. See the fourth question. Date 4. Bought a building from L&T Company on credit. So what we purchased? Building purchase. So what comes in? Building comes in. Whether we paid the cash? No, still we didn't pay the cash. So building account data to L&T Company, because still we have to make the payment. What is building? It is a real account. So what is the rule for real account? Debit what comes in. So building account will be debited. What is L&T Company? L&T Company is the name. Name means personal account. What is the rule for personal account? Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So building account data to L&T Company account, because L&T Company is the giver. Or simply, bought a building from L&T Company means credit purchase. Credit purchase, what is the shortcut method for credit purchase? Simple. Name will be credited. So what name is given? L&T Company. So building account data to L&T Company rupees 95,000. Understand? Next one. Cash withdrawn from bank for office use. When you withdraw something, what comes in? Cash comes in. From where the money goes out? From the bank. So bank is credited. Cash account data to bank account. Next one is what? Cash withdrawn from bank for personal use. Whenever the word comes personal, domestic purpose, then you have to write drawings. So drawings account data to cash account, because this is for personal use. If you see the answer, you will be able to know. See the sixth answer. Drawings account data to bank account, because we withdraw the money from the bank. So drawings account data to bank. If we withdraw money for the cash, then we can write drawings account data to cash. But here we withdraw the money from the bank, so we have to write drawings account data to bank account. Next one. Towels given as charity. We given the charity. Charity means we will not receive any money because we are doing charity. So for charity purpose we given the towels. So charity account data to purchase account. Then shirt taken over by Anant for personal use, for own purpose he used. Now see the seventh answer first. You check it, the seventh answer. Charity account data to purchase account 3000. Next one, drawings account data to purchase, because he purchased the shirt for his own purpose. So drawings account data to purchase account. When you do the charity, the entry is charity account data to purchase account. These two entries are very important while the students are doing mistakes. So understand it carefully and do it carefully. Charity account data to purchase account. Drawings account data to purchase account, because he purchased for his own purpose. Then sales promotion account data to purchase account. Why it has been written sales account data to purchase account? See the last one. Goods or tablecloths used for, no, this is the one. Saree distribution as free sample. So when it is a free sample, you have to write that one. Goods saree distributed as free sample. So free sample means, what is the answer for that? For sales promotion we done the free sample. So sales promotion account data to purchase account. Next one. See the 10th one. goods tablecloth used for. Now see the 10th, goods tablecloths used for office use. So goods tablecloth used for office use. So office purpose your cloths has been used. So the entry is office expenses account data to purchase account. So office expenses account data to purchase account rupees 200. Now see the next illustration. Illustration 10. When you see this illustration 10, Arun is a trader dealing in automobiles. So this is the company. Which company? Automobile company. So Arun is the owner. So now whenever you are doing something, this is your own company and you are the Arun. So Arun is a trader dealing in automobiles. For the following transaction, pass the journal entries for the month of January 2018. Commence business with cash, rupees 90,000. So you started business with cash of rupees 90,000. So you invested money into the business. So cash is the real account. Debit what comes in. In business, cash comes in. So cash is debited. Capital is what? It's a personal account. So debit the receiver, get the giver. Who is giver? Arun is giver to the company. So cash account data to capital account. Now see here in the answer, January 1 cash account data to Arun capital account 90,000 rupees. Now see the second one. Second entry, purchase goods from X and company on credit, rupees 40,000. So whenever credit purchase, so name will be created. So purchase account data to X and company account, or simply as per the golden rules, what is purchase? Purchase is the nominal account. So debit all expenses and losses. So when we purchase something, that is the expense for the business. So it is debited. X and company is the personal account. So debit the receiver, credit the giver. X and company, who is that X and company? Is the giver. So it is credited. So purchase account data to X and company. Now see the answer. Purchase account data, DR means debit data to X and company account. Credit purchases made because still you have been not make the payment. Next one. Accepted bill drawn by X and company, rupees 20,000. You accepted the bill drawn by X and company. So X and company account data to bills payable account. So bill drawn by X and company is accepted. Next one. What is the next one? Date 4. Sold goods to D and company on credit, 10,000 rupees. You sell the goods to D and company. When you sold goods to D and company, then D and company will be debited because it is credit sales. So whenever credit sales, name will be debited. So D and company account data to sales account. This is very important illustration. Understand it very carefully. Listen very carefully. So D and company account data to sales account, 10,000 rupees. Next one. Date 5. Paid by cash the bill drawn by X and company. Now you have to pay the bill which you accepted by X and company of rupees 20,000 on date 3rd. Now see here in the 5th, when you pay the cash is credited. So bills payable account data to cash account, rupees 20,000. Understand? You paid the cash, so cash is credited. Cash is a real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So cash goes out. So credited. Next one. Date 6. Now see the date 6. Received check from DN Company. You receive the check from DN Company in full settlement and deposit the same into bank of rupees 9,000. Actually, how much goods we had been sold to DN Company? Sold goods to DN Company for rupees 10,000. Now how much he made the payment through check? Rupees 9,000. So we settled the amount. So how much we received? Only 9,000. So the check what we received we deposit into bank. So bank is debited. Now see the answer so that you can understand very easily how to write this journal entry. We received the check and deposit into bank. So bank is debited rupees 9,000. How much we have to receive from DN Company? 10,000 rupees. So 10,000 minus we received 9,000. 1,000 rupees is discount allowed account data. Next one. 7th entry. Commission received in cash rupees 5,000. So how much you received? Rupees 5,000 you received the cash. So what comes in? Cash comes in. Now see the answer here. Cash account data rupees 5,000 to commission account 5,000. So cash comes in. So commission received in cash. Next one. Date 8. Goods costing rupees 40,000 was sold and cash received 50,000. So 40,000 of goods has been sold and for that we received how much? 50,000 received money. So see the date 8. How much we received the amount? Cash received 50,000 and we sold. So cash account data to sales account 50,000 rupees. Next one. 9th one. See the 9th one. Salary paid in cash rupees 4,000. So when we paid the salary, cash goes out. So salary account data to cash account. This entry is very important. Listen it very carefully. Building purchase from Kumar and company for rupees 1 lakh and advance rupees 20,000 given in cash. So building purchase from Kumar for rupees 1 lakhs. So how much is the value of building? 1 lakh rupees. But how much we paid in a cash? 20,000. So see the answer. I'll explain it very easily. Now see this answer and understand it carefully. Building account data. So building value is 1 lakh. But how much we given the advance cash? 20,000 rupees. So 20,000 goes out. So credited. Now 1 lakh rupees building. How much we given? 20,000. 1 lakh minus 20,000. How much we have to pay? 80,000. This 80,000 to Kumar and company account. So still we have to pay 80,000 rupees to Kumar. Understand? That's all. So we completed the illustration 10. Now see the illustration 11. Journal entries. Bragitesh is a trader dealing in electronic goods who commenced his business in 2015. For the following transaction took place in the month of March 2018. Past journal entries. March 1. Purchase goods from Y&N Company on credit rupees 60,000. So when you purchase goods from Y&N Company, so there are two account is there. One is purchase, one is Y&N Company. Purchase is what account? Purchase is the nominal account. So nominal account, what is the rule? Debit all expenses, losses, credit all income and gains. When we purchase something, that is the expense for the business. So that is debited. And Y&N Company is the personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So Y&N Company is the giver, so it is credited. So the journal entry is purchase account data to Y&N Company. Or simply you can remember the shortcut method. Whenever it is credit purchase, then name will be credited. So purchase account data to Y&N Company. Now see the answer below. You have to write in the single page in the books of Bragitesh. Below that, next line you have to write journal entries, date, particulars, LF, debit. Below that you have to write rupees, credit. Below that you have to write rupees. 2018 March 1. Opposite of 1 you have to write purchase account debit to Y and Company account rupees 60,000. Now see the second one. Second question, that is sold goods to D and Company on credit rupees. So sold goods to D and Company. When we sold goods to D and Company, the entry is D and Company account data to sales account rupees 30,000. Why D and Company is debited? Because we had been sold, that is credit sales. D and Company is the personal account. So debit the receiver, credit the giver. So D and Company is the receiver. So it is debited. Sales is the nominal account. Sales, when we do sales, it is a revenue income. So it is credited. Or simply you can remember, whenever it is credit sales, name will be debited. So D and Company account data to sales account. Now see the third one. Paid Y and Company through bank in full settlement of 58,000. Now you are paying to Y and Company. How much we purchased from Y and Company? 60,000. But now how much we are paying? 58,000 in settlement, full settlement. So what entry you have to pass? Now see the answer. Then I'll say you very easily how to remember this entry. See here, Y and Company account data 60,000 to bank account. How much we paid? 58,000 we paid. So we have to pay 60,000, but we paid only 58,000. So how much we received the discount? 2,000 we received the discount. So Y and Company account data to bank account to discount received account. Next one, see the date. Next one, see the date 4. D and Company accepted a bill drawn by Bragitesh. So D and Company accepted a bill drawn. This is very important entry where the students are doing mistakes. So here we have to write bills receivable account data to D and Company account 30,000 because bills received from D and Company. Now see the fifth one. Sold goods, date 5, sold goods to L and Company. So L and Company account data to sales account rupees 20,000. Why? Because it is a credit sales. See here in date 5, L and Company account data to sales account. Because L and Company is what? Personal account. So debit the receiver. So is the receiver. So it is debited. Sales account is the nominal account. So it is credited because it is an income. So credited 20,000 rupees. Next one is what? Sold goods to M and Company. Sold goods to M and Company on credit. Same way, M account data to sales account rupees 40,000. Next one, date 7. Received a check from M in full settlement and deposit the same into bank rupees 9,000. So received a check from M. How much we sold to M? 40,000. But how much we received from M? 9,000. Now see the entry. What we received, that will be debited. See the date 9. So cash account data 20,000 into 90 percentage, that is 18,000 rupees. So 20,000 into 90 percentage, 80,000 rupees. Bad debts means loss, 2,000 rupees. To L account 20,000 rupees, because actually he has to pay us 20,000, but he paid only 18,000. So 2,000 is bad debts. So cash account data, bad debts account data, to L account 20,000. So see here why this type of entry has been came. Date 7, actually we have to see date 7, but I had been went to date 9. See the date 7, received a check from M in full settlement and deposited. So see the date 7, bank account data, we received 39,000, discount allowed 1,000 rupees, to M account 40,000 rupees. So out of 40,000 we received 39,000. So we allowed 1,000 rupees as a discount. Next one, see the date 8. Goods returned to Y and Company rupees 5,000. So see the date 8. Y and Company account data, to purchase return account 4,000 rupees, because it is purchase return. So whenever purchase return is came, name will be debited. So Y and Company is the personal account, so debit the receiver. So Y and Company is the receiver, so it's debited. Purchase return is the nominal account. Now see the next ninth entry. L became insolvent. L said I don't have money, and only 90 paise per rupees is received by cash in final settlement. So he is actually, what he want to say, he says only I can give you 90 percentage. 90 paise means 90 paise in a rupees means 90 percentage only amount I can pay. So L and Company, how much he said, I can give you only 90 paise per rupee in full or final settlement. So see the name of a company, L. Now see upstairs, where is the L Company? L Company is, we sold the goods for rupees 20,000. So 20,000 into 90 by 100. Now see the date 9. Cash account data, 20,000 into 90 by 100, or 90 percentage. That is 20,000 into 90 percentage is 18,000. So out of 20,000, 80,000 we received the cash. Balance 2,000 is bad debts. Last entry, goods returned by M rupees 3,000. Goods returned by M. So M returned the goods rupees 3,000. So M is what? To M what we done? We sold goods to M of rupees 40,000 rupees of goods. Now he return. It means sales return. So what is the entry for sales return? See it. Sales return account data, to M account rupees 3,000. Understand? So this is the important sum. In this sum, sales return, purchase return, bills payable, everything has been came. So understand, very important sum.